guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a quick unboxing and show and tell on this unit from Hanne Hair. I will have all their information linked down below in the description box, so please check there. This wig comes with, first of all, this is a closure wig, and I'm so excited about that. It comes with 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the middle, and 1 comb in the back, and that is the closure area. It makes everything so easy. If you are wanting to wear a lace wig, I would say this is the kind to go with during these hot summer months. So right now I'm just tinning the lace because I didn't feel like bleaching the knots, because this is like a quick lazy girl wig application, yet it's going to give you frontal vibes, sis. So just stay tuned and get your life. This hair to be really defined. I was going to rock it in the middle part, but now the way it's looking in the flip over method, that's what we're going to go with. Flip over method, you know, with some little side action. So what I'm going to do is spritz a little bit of water on it, and I'm going to use this Herbal Essence Totally Twisted Curl Boosting Mousse. It looks like this. Oh my gosh, one of my new absolute favorite curly hair products. I'm going to see if I can find a link to this, and I'll link it down below. And you guys know all the wig information will be in the description box and direct links to purchase if you do want to purchase. So let's get into it. So thus far, I'm absolutely in love with this texture. The wig did come with a slight scent to it, but I used fabric softener and I let it soak in there for like 10-15 minutes and knocked it right out. So everything's all good in that aspect. The shedding is minimum, but you do get some. So just know whenever you detangle it, you'll get a few strands of shedding, but so far nothing too drastic. Y'all, did I talk about the texture already? Because like, let's get into it. Yes, absolutely gorgeous. And I feel like even though the hairline for me was a con because it came really dense, it gives you the option to customize it exactly how you would like it. So I feel like I'm serving like, you know, some slight frontal action right now, and I'm absolutely here for it. For this to be 16 inches is definitely a natural length for me, but I feel like it's giving you like all your tresses, and this is definitely a look for this time of year. I know we're not going too many places, but if you decide to creep out to the beach or something like that, this is definitely the unit that I would suggest to you. The price. The price. You got to tap into that, okay? It says tap, tap, tap in. The quality is definitely amazing for the price that you pay for this unit. So it's a win-win for me, like all up and through with this unit. Y'all know I'm totally in my element when I'm wearing curly units. So I know a little something about good quality curly hair. And Hanne, I believe that's how you pronounce this company. For the prices, I have to emphasize the price. This unit is priced very well. I will leave all the links down below. You definitely can like hit it and quit it over there. Like if you're somebody who is on a budget, you're going to get your life with the quality versus the price for this unit. So I definitely suggest them. They are definitely OhSo approved. I will leave all links down below in the description box, so be sure to check there. And let me know what you think about this wig. Am I serving a look? Let me know, okay? And I will see you guys in my next video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on my social media platforms, especially Instagram. Let's get my Instagram up a little bit more, okay? And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.